Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect buffer recycling to LinkedIn for evergreen content. Full guide step. Start by logging into your buffer account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the buffer website to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the content tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see options for scheduling social media posts. Next, locate and click on the social accounts option in the settings menu. Select LinkedIn from the list of platforms if it isn't already connected. If you haven't connected LinkedIn yet, click on the Connect button. You'll be redirected to LinkedIn for authentication. Log into your LinkedIn account if prompted. Grant Buffer the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn profile. Return to Buffer once LinkedIn is successfully connected. Now, go to the Queues section within Buffer. This is where you can start adding posts for LinkedIn. To create evergreen content, think of topics that remain relevant over time. Write compelling copy for your evergreen posts. Include any necessary links, images, or hashtags to enhance engagement. After crafting a post, select your LinkedIn account from the drop-down menu. Choose a date and time for the post to be published. For evergreen content, you can schedule multiple posts using the same copy at different intervals. To do this, duplicate the post and adjust the scheduling times accordingly. Regularly analyze which pieces of content are performing best on LinkedIn. Make adjustments to future posts based on this data to optimize engagement. Continuously add fresh evergreen content to your buffer queue to maintain a vibrant LinkedIn presence. This strategy will help keep your LinkedIn profile active and relevant over time. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to content marketing on social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.